when we're talking about high conflict disputes, how does collaborative help that process? How do you get the high conflict under control?
It's a really good question. And the answer is I don't do it alone. I do it with help. When people come into my office, I'm generally meeting one person for the first time, whether it's the male spouse or the female spouse, and I have a meeting with them. I interview them and determine where they are in their process. Are they just starting? Have they been at it for years? And what do they need? Do they need to get their children into some counseling immediately? Do the two parents need to have some coaching so they can talk to their children? So it's not an easy question to answer, and it really does depend on the person. It depends on who are they separating from? What kind of a spouse do they have? What kind of support does that spouse need? If I'm meeting with the male spouse and his the partner that he's separating from has zero financial literacy, I'm not going to be able to help him through that process until I offer her financial support. If she's never had a bank account, or if I'm working with the spouse and the male partner has all the control, then I need to help the client that I'm working with move more towards even ground. So the answer is I don't do it alone, and there's a wealth of resources, colleagues that I work with, financial neutrals, mental health professionals, other financial experts that I work with. Someone like you, Sabina. I had a client the other day tell me, oh my goodness, I had a financial advisor for years, and then I met with Sabina, and she just raved about you for 20 minutes and about the worksheets you gave her and the information she learned about mortgage rates and rental payments. And she said, oh, Sabina talked to me about we talked about strata fees, and we talked about other expenses that the financial advisor had never mentioned to me. So that's what I mean when I say I don't do it alone.
Thank you.